Alright, so I did fix the cap
R290 refrigerant
so
leak
I just
repair.
found out another company did come and put these service valves on, because I remember last time I was here they didn't have them, but look, they use couplings for the service valves. Nice. And I'm pretty sure they put dye in the system. Just check with my flashlight, but we're holding here 0.0, so that's great. I'm gonna put a new filter dryer on and pressure test one more time, get it back and down. Alright, let's check it out here. Got it fixed, we gotta kick it on. Alright, we're at great pressure for a freezer, r290. We're coming down in temp, 36 degrees, so I'd say this thing is pretty well off. I'm gonna go check my other cooler now.